You gonna find surprise toys? All right. Yeah, that's your reward. That's your, you get to open that when you find all of your surprise toys, okay? You see My Little Pony? Okay, go find all your eggs and bring them back. And then when you're done, you get to open up that one. Where are they? There's Easter eggs and there's Mashems. Which ones do you want to find? You want a rubble Mashem? Then you have to see if there's one out here. There's a bug. Do you need mommy to get it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's an ant.
Scary.
It's so scary?
Yeah.
Hey, what do you think's inside?
I don't know.
Does it look like a Mashem? Ready? Open it up. What is that?
I don't know.
That's a Star Wars Mashem. Yeah. You want to squish him? You squish him. Squish. Squish.
I want to find some more mushrooms.
Okay, go put that one on the slide. Find more of them. You found one?
I still want mushroom.
It is a Star Wars Mashem. Can you say R2-D2?
Okay, cute. She's so squishy. He's so squishy, mommy.
He is so squishy, isn't he? Can you go put him with your little pony surprise? Come on. Let's go put him here with your My Little Pony surprise. There you go. Good job. All right, there's still more to go find. Let's find them. Where are they all at? You want to find another Star Wars one? You don't know. Look hard. See one right there? I see one right here.
I found one. It's Casey's in there.
Chase is in there?
Yeah.
No way.
Casey from a park.
Chase is from Paw Patrol.
He's so squishy.
He's so squishy. Go put him with your other friends. Can you go put him on the slide?
I found one. How's your mom? Just another one.
Another one. That's another Star Wars one. Can you say C-3PO?
C-3PO.
Good job.
I'm gonna find some more.
You're gonna find some more? Okay. Where are they? Rockies inside? 2 Rockies?
Yeah.
Whoa! That's like the jackpot right there. Is Rocky squishy? Can I see Rocky?
I want to put them right here.
Okay.
I'm gonna put them right here.
That sounds perfect, Mammy. Good job.
I'm gonna put them right here on cake.
I think you have one more. One more to find. Where is it at?
Zuma's inside.
Zuma's inside. What color is Zuma?
He's orange. He's ready to dive in.
Yeah.
He's ready to dive in the water.
He's ready to dive in the water.
I will put them right here.
I think that's all of them. You're ready for your surprise little pony, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, we've got to open it up.
Yeah.
It's messy.
This is blind bag. This is blind bag.
It's a blind bag.
Hmm.
Well, at least it wasn't too messy.
What pony we got?
I don't know, which pony did we get?
Open up, Mommy. Open up.
Ooh, what's that?
A motorcycle.
A motorcycle.
Mm.
That's close. It's a motorcycle for the water.
We need the water.
You need water? So you can go play with her in water. I think. Is there anything else? It looks like there might be more in there, Maddie.
No, there's no more in there.
There's no more in there? Are you sure?
No.
Are you sure? I don't know. I think there's more. It says to pull the string on the inside. And I'm thinking that we probably didn't open that right. For next time, instead of ripping into it, we've got to pull the tab and pull the string. Should we try it? Okay, let's try.
Ah,
This is from the Neon group, right? The Neon group. And you got a little jet ski. Can you say jet ski?
pisky.
Very cool. Do you like her?
Mm,
What color is she?
pink.
She is pink, isn't she?
Yes,
And you
it
got
is.
all of your Mashems. So we got Boba Fett and R2, C-3PO. We've got Rocky and Chase. So cool. Was that fun? That was a lot of fun, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Can you say please give this video a big thumbs up? Give it a thumbs up. Show me your thumbs up.
Right here.
Say thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Subscribe.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you.
See you in the next one. Little kiss. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Wait.